Hello friends, my name is Ratin. Today I am going to draw a drawing with the help of number 108. Today I have written my word on a paper 108 on a slipping paper. Now I am going to start my drawing. Here is my marker. Now turning it into a standing page. Now here one circle small for making eyes. Same here. One curve touching towards downside, two small nose, one big smile. Here I am going to make it frog, one slanting line, one more slanting line going towards upside, one slanting line and attaching to the stomach. Same thing here, slanting line going towards downside, again upside, again downside, again upside. These are the two hands. Now few zigzag lines for making our fingers. Same thing here. So hands are ready. Now I'm going to make it a leg. One curve going towards downside. Same on opposite side. One curve going towards downside. One curve going towards outside. One curve going towards outside. Again few zigzag and going towards center. Same thing here. Slanting going towards outside and few zigzag. Here are the legs. I'm going to make it a stone where frog is sitting and few water surrounding a stone at the center level and frog is standing on it. Now I'm going to take it marker, so I'm going to fill color inside, yellow color in the stomach, taking a light green color in the legs, first cover the border. Color may not get outside. Slowly fill it in a both portion. Here two legs and one stomach is ready. Going towards hand with a dark green color. Use your pen carefully so color cannot get outside. If you want to make it few patches on it, you can make it few circles. So here are the patches of the frog. Again taking yellow color in the face. Don't go in eyes. Here my frog face is ready. Now going to take it brown color for the stone. Here stone is ready. Taking a sky blue color for the water. Just giving a strokes of a blue color. So here our frog is ready with the help of 108 number. Thank you friends.